Hi, I'm Laura Bedford, Head of Programmes at Kids in Museums. We hope you found these case study films useful for your own work. As you have seen from the films, takeovers come in all different sizes with a variety of different groups. We thought we'd finish by briefly outlining where you can find more case studies. Under our resources section, we have categorised and tagged the takeover case studies to help you find more inspiration. This could be by audience, for example, early years, young people, SEND groups, primary and secondary schools, and also uniform groups. Or type of takeover, for example, first-time events, those that led to organisational change, and we have found that most successful takeovers take place in organisations which embed their events, which can avoid tokenism. There's also digital takeovers, and don't forget that our digital takeovers take place yearly and are a great way for young people to learn digital marketing skills. There's also outdoor takeovers, those that take place during closure, and also those that make organisations more accessible. If you still need further advice or support, you will find our contact details on our Takeover Day page, and we're always happy to help you. And don't forget, once you have planned your event, please sign up. You'll then have access to support materials from us, and we put on our online map. We will send you regular communications during the lead-up with useful resources and tips, including press tips and a press release template. Kids in Museums will also include you in press and marketing opportunities, which can include VIP visits on the day of your event. So thank you for taking the time to watch these films, and we hope you find them useful, and good luck with your event.